Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson. So in this one, what I want to do is to go over the concept of the game real quick and to kind of establish the rules and basically everything you need to know about it. So if you actually look up the Hangman game online, Hangman game, so like you're gonna find a lot of different Hangman games that you can actually play. So the idea with the Hangman is that you have to guess the word. And if you don't, you're going to run out of lives, essentially. Let's see if actually famous people. All right, so let's just do that. This is not displayed exactly the way it's supposed to. So like again, you guess the letters and then it just starts forming. There you go. That's actually pretty nice. So like, for example, H, S, all that, like, so again, things start forming and yeah. Let's see. There you go. So anyways, so that's the whole idea with it. Again, it's a pretty common game and it's a pretty popular game as well. So here's how it's going to work, at least the basic logic of it, and as always, the file for this is in the resources section. You can actually download it for yourself. So we're going to start and we're going to generate a random word from a list. So like we're gonna have a big list and we're gonna generate a random word from it. All right, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna generate blank spots, as many as the letters in the word. So if you think about it, how we can do this, if you remember, we had the length function where we could actually generate, where we could find how many letters a string has, right? So we can actually use that to find out, like when we generate random word, we can get the letter amount, like number of letters. So that's pretty easy, right? And then we're gonna ask user to guess a letter, and if and then we're gonna see if the letter is in the word. So if it is in the word, it's gonna be replaced the blank in the letter, and then if it's not, you're gonna lose a life. Essentially, we're gonna have a counter, and that counter is gonna keep how many lives we have. And as the user guesses wrong, it takes wrong guesses, essentially, that we're gonna have one life actually taken out every time, right? So again, so at the end, either the user is going to guess all the letters, so that means are all blanks filled, and if the answer is yes, the game is going to be over, and then you keep losing a life. And at the end, you're going to see if you're out of lives. If that's a yes, you're going to be, obviously it's going to be game over. If not, you're going to go back and keep guessing a letter. And again, if when you replace the blank letter with the correct letter, and then you're gonna check, are the blanks fully filled? If that's the yes, obviously that means you won the game, right? If that's not the case, that means you have to keep guessing. So like it goes back all the way to ask for the user again, ask for a user guess. So again, if you think about it, it's a pretty simple concept, but it helps a lot when you visualize it like this, so you can actually understand exactly what you're supposed to code. So again, we're going to start designing this step by step, and this is like one of the things I'd like to teach you in this section as well, is that when you actually build something more complicated, you want to essentially, you want to plan it out like this, and you're going to be building it in parts, in portions. And you're not going to build like the whole thing in a single go, in a sense, and that's something I want to demonstrate in this section as well. So let's actually go ahead and take a look at this. We're going to start building the basic ones, and then we're just going to move forward after that. As always, you can download this resource for yourself in the resources section, all right, and download this PDF or PNG, whatever the picture is going to be, and have it for yourself. But let me know if you have any questions. If not, I'll see you in the next video.